mission.
Yeah, Mr. Patrick, what go on? What go on, boss?
How you doing?
Everything good?
Yeah, man. So, obviously you know me, but refresh my memory again.
Yeah, man, Wilbert, man, you remember me? Me used to attend your film class where you used to keep down so.
Wilbert, you was in my class?
Yeah, man.
Forgive me, it's been a while if me not remember you, but obviously you're standing right in front of my driveway, Wilbert, so how can I help you? Carl?
Mr. Patrick?
Yes.
Yeah, come on. Around here, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Yeah, took me a little while to find, but
Yeah, man.
I'm
I
here
just
now.
saw a little spot, man.
okay, so
We can have a seat, you know.
How are you in Sado?
No, I'm just there for my phone.
If you remember, say early in the morning we have the animal then to take care of, right?
Yes, woman, remember.
So nobody stay in here so and linger on the island when you sitting on phone and gossip with friends. Because at the end of the day, your friend them cannot help you.
Yes. Gracie!
Hello?
Gracie!
Yes.
Are your brother, man? Come on, I want to talk to you.
Me dey come.
Come on, man, I want to talk to you, man. You sit here, me?
Like seriously, you come on my gate, Kondua.
Tell me now, are you so wicked? Your one son? After me get help for the youth, for drum start him in film career, you mash it up. What kind of mother you be? Eh? Yes, mommy.
I will go come the bed look like you did a try to spread it. It don't spread it. It don't spread properly. You're a big boy now, you know. And you not come help me from morning. You cock up in you. How you do with pen? Let me see what you do. Give me pen. I come like you think you're smarter than me.
yeah, you did a great job. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let you get a better card. Okay, you can hold more. Okay? Wilbert. You know we're cool and everything. We're helpful and everything, but you can't call me and get arrested, brother. Like this time of night.